Namaste students, welcome back to Vinmaths. This is your Vinayak sir. In this video, I am providing you the half-yearly question paper of class 5th. Here is the first section of that half-yearly examination question paper, that is section A. In this, you have 10 questions of 1 marks. So please solve these problems and practice. After that, this is about the section B. In this, again you have 10 questions based on 2 marks. So these questions you have to solve with the steps and proper methods which you have to use it as in the rough column as well as in the main column. Here are the 2 more questions of that 2 marks based on circle graph, and you have to draw the bar graph as well for the given data. Please practice drawing of a bar graph in the graph sheet. In this page, you have a questions of 3 marks. Again, there are 10 questions given. You have to solve all the 10 questions, including story sums on large numbers, addition, simplification, subtraction, multiplication. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share.